The boxer in the red corner, representing Philippines, Machel Yumin Felix.
Yumir Marshall wearing red. Nguyen Mancong wearing blue. In the first of two light heavyweight semi-final matches that we will have before the end of this session.
Round 1.
Southpaw versus Orthodox. There's Yumir, a bemedaled boxer from the Southeast Asian Games. Nakapagpanalo na rin ng medalya in the Olympics. Good 1-2 right down the pipe for Yumir to open his offense. But itong si Nguyen, may lakas din po. Mahaba din yung kanyang reach. So kaya niyang patamaan ng kanyang mga jab at straight si Yumir. Marshall, what punch is he setting up? Kasi ganun thinking fighter po itong si Yumir. Inaaral niya muna yung kanyang kalaban. Paano magre-react. He does a lot of feints. Sometimes even fake punches. To try and study where the openings can be. He is fighting against an opponent na may height and reach advantage. Marshall, yung maganda sa kanya nag-i-invest talaga with his body punching. Good combination from Yumir. That lead right hand will fall short for Nguyen. Sinusubukan niyang butasan sa gitna yung depensa ni Marshall with that jab. That's low. Nice hook from Yumir. One of his best punches of this match so far. Willing to exchange is the Vietnamese boxer. Another dig to the body. Pumupuntos yung mga yan for Marshall. As we're down to the last few seconds of this first round. Kung sa laban, itong si Weljon Mindoro.
Round 2.
Vietnam, their coaching staff can make adjustments. Pwede nilang palitan yung tema ng laban kahit na nanalo itong Pilipino ng first round because I think itong si Mindoro also won the first round. A drastic change from Bui allowed him to win that matchup by unanimous decision. Pero itong si Marshall will not allow that to happen just yet. Pasugod pa siya dito. Good, straight to the body coming from Nguyen. Good snapping jab from Yumir. Nahanapan niya ng body punch. I think the investment is on the body kasi he might fake one of those punches to wait for the defense to attack tapos doon niya kukunin, doon niya susungkitin sa ulo. Itong kalaban from Vietnam right now. Hindi pa naman nakakabutas itong si Nguyen. Just trying to stay active. Paramihan ng atake niya nasasalag naman ni Yumir. That lead left gets through for Yumir Marshall. throws a combination, another dig to the body. Pero sa likod na daw banda tumama, sabi ng referee as they re-engage. Good work defensively for Yumir Marshall as well, not allowing himself to be open for too long. Nakakabalik agad sa kanyang depensa pagkatapos umatake. Good combination for Yumir, putting in great work here in the second round as well. Tapos pinapamintis niya, walang tinatamaan. Yung kanyang kalaban, nasungkit pa ng kanyang left uppercut. Five seconds remaining here in the second round. Marshall still doing good. And we're not seeing those big adjustments. Oh my goodness, the left hook lands for Yumir Marshall. Pinabagsak ito si Nguyen. And the fight is waved off. That is the power of Yumir. It only takes one opening. Di na kailangan ng bilang pa. Yumir Marshall all smiles, celebrating with his corner men. Marami nang napatumba yung hook na yan mula kay Yumir, and he adds another victim. Just once again, how he set it up. Kaya siya nag-invest dun sa body punches. Nasingitan ng isang hook. Over the top. Right hook. Habang nakababa yung depensa ng kanyang kalaban, bukas na bukas. It will be a knockout win for Yumir Marshall, and he will become the 4th Filipino boxer to make it into the gold medal matches for December 19. 2 out of 3 today ang mga Pilipino, led by our Olympians. Ira Villegas scoring a decision victory earlier. Now Yumir Marshall with an emphatic knockout against his opponent from Vietnam.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner by knockout in the red corner, representing Philippines, Machel Yumin Felix.
Yumir Marshall naghahanap ng idadagdag sa kanyang koleksyon ng SEA Games gold medals, and he will have the chance to do that December 19